Hello everyone. Today marks 5 weeks of my resolution. Over the last 5 weeks, I have on a daily basis done walk for 1 hour and read book for 1 hour every day without any fail. Also, in the last 1 week, I have been drinking 10 glasses of water each day. I think I did it every day. Maybe one day I missed it. There was some birthday or something, but other than that, I have been doing it constantly. Uh, as for coding, I think I have not been keeping, coding, doing coding much, as in like not coding 2 hours each day, and that is because probably I don't see it directly related to my long-term vision. And that is one thing I realize, right? Like, I am only able to do the goals which I find will be helpful towards my long term vision, and coding is not one of them, because eventually I don't want to be, say, in case I end up being opening a company, I don't want to end up being the city of the company. I basically would like to be more involved in the business. So that's probably the reason I have not been coding 2 hours daily. That happened the last time as well, as you would know. So now what I'm thinking is basically keep this idea of coding each day to uh, removing that resolution. Instead, what I will be focusing on is, for the next 1 week, for till I achieve, till there are, till basically the end of the resolution, which is 3 years from, almost 3 years from now. What I will keep on doing is on a daily basis. So I have been maintaining this morning schedule, as you would know. But one thing which I noticed was my time of waking up is not always the same. So next, from starting from tomorrow, what I will be focusing on is, setting a time. Maybe at actually I would like it to be 9, but at times I have meetings uh, with some US recruiters, so probably it may extend till 10. So keep a time. um, Basically try to sleep every day at 9 and get up at 4:30. So that is one thing that I would in my morning schedule. It I have been, phone basically maintaining a schedule of, when I get up I go for a walk, then I do yoga, then I basically spend time with my family, I take a shower, I take my meal, and then I basically read a book. But apart from that, the timing which I have been getting up is not constant. So starting from tomorrow, I will try to basically follow a schedule on when I sleep and when I get up, and I mostly would like to sleep at 9 and get up at 4 or 4:30. um, 5 base. How much is, yeah, 4:30, something like that. And then another thing which I'm thinking to follow is basically maintain, using time blocks to maintain my schedule. So time blocks is basically a habit which is followed, looks like, by many millionaires, Elon Musk, billionaires like Elon Musk and Bill Gates, who basically have time slots of 5 minutes. They distributed in time slots of 5 minutes. Though probably 5 minutes would be a bit tough for me as of now, I'm thinking to have a time blocks of 30 minutes. So that is one thing that I will be focusing on from now on, time blocks. The resolutions that I have now is, go for a walk daily for 1 hour, read a book daily for 1 hour, drink 10 glasses of water each day, maintain time blocks of 30 minutes, um, starting from tomorrow. And then sleeping, if try at max to sleep as early as possible, sometime around 9, and get up at 4:30. Another thing which I will be trying to focus on, though I'm not taking the resolution right now because I'm at my parents house, is, I will try to speak as much as I can in English. Probably once I move to my uh, like I actually I'm traveling from Bangalore to Delhi to meet my parents. So when I'm back in Bangalore, probably I will take the resolution of speaking all the time in English. Yep. So that's it from my end for today. One other last thing which I wanted to tell you was I completed the second book which was Elon Musk biography. And I'm thinking to basically, after completing each book, what I'm thinking to do is basically give a summary of that book in a subsequent video. So you can I will be making a video what I learned from Elon Musk biography one of the days in the coming week. So yep, hopefully I will make it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That's it from my end for now. Meet you next time. Thank you.